going on YouTube? Today we're going racing. Going to Bowling Green, Kentucky, where my Corvette personally got originated. I'm not sure if you remembered, museum delivery Corvette. We'll talk about that in a bit though. We're at my dealership, Sinister Auto Sales. I have the CTSV here outside, the one I've been racing a bit. I think I'm gonna sell it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. It kind of just sits here. I took it to 2 or 3 different events. It did a pretty good job. Makes like 900 wheel. If I were to sell it, it'd be like 37, 38 grand. It's a really nice car. It's got some imperfections. It's got like 140,000 body miles, so it's not, you know, perfect by any means, but it's a really good race car. And it's a CTSV. It's not like a, you know, cheap looking car. It's a CTSV making around 900 wheel. It's got everything you pretty much want in it. 15-inch conversion, skinnies in the front, nice aftermarket bits, carbon fiber. It's got the bronze seats in the inside, but we're not here to talk about this today. We're actually going racing. So there's my trailer, my truck. We're about to hook it up. Truck's looking real nice. But I bought some new race ramps, which they're not. This is not sponsored by Race Ramps, but they're a really good company. They make nice stuff. They're really expensive, but they're nice. These are 6-foot race ramps. I just bought these. And the old ones I had were like 3 or 4 feet. If you're interested in buying those, hit me up. They'll probably be for sale. But these are nice because I had that big aluminum ramp door in the back, and I bought the trailer specifically because of that. And it was really heavy, and on my lower back, it was not the best, having to lower the back door down with the aluminum door is actually pretty heavy, including the back door. So I said, screw that, I'm taking it off, took it off. I got these nice 6 feet race ramps, which should perfectly clear my C6 ZR1, any really Corvette that I put in here. So hopefully that works out. We're gonna go pick up my car from my house here in a bit, but we're gonna hook up the trailer and we're gonna head to Kentucky. If you guys remember, about 2 years ago, actually 2 years ago almost exactly, I bought my 2012 Corvette ZR1 in Inferno Orange. I bought it from California, and the story behind it was the owner, his wife had passed away, and he had a dream overnight while he was at the Corvette Museum during like some kind of like events, you know, like charity event, and it's $500 to buy a raffle ticket to win a new Corvette ZR1 of your spec. So he, I guess, had a dream overnight, and his wife told him the dream to buy a raffle ticket. So he bought a raffle ticket, and he won the Corvette ZR1 I own. So I bought it from the original owner. He had passed away. They traded it into a dealership. His son traded it in, and he won it for $500. So he flew back to California. When the car came into Bowling Green, he flew back in and drove the car all the way home, cracked the front splitter, but I ended up getting an OEM one back on it, or the dealership did actually, that I bought it from. But he drove all the way back from Bowling Green, Kentucky, and now we're going to Bowling Green, where the car originated from the $500 he spent on a brand new $130,000 ZR1. Turn the wheel a little bit left. A little bit left. Yup. Straight. You're good. What we got there? You got them sticky ickies?
Sticky icky, baby.
Hell yeah. Alright, we're coming to see if what my car weighs with me in it and with me out of it. Seeing what it weighs here. See here, 3640, 3,600 pounds, 40 on a little bit over half a tank. And 3410. 3410 without me in it, and my helmet and gear in the car. Alright, we're gonna see what he weighs with him in it. 3825. Get out. $36.50. We've been waiting like all day. It's like 8 o'clock at night. We got here at like 1 p.m. or something. The track only opened at 4 and 5 or something, and then they delayed racing until about 7 or 8. So we're finally gonna do some test and tune. I guess they're doing dig racing first. I don't really like dig racing manual cars. I don't like dig racing that much because I don't like breaking stuff. I like it, it's a lot more fun, but I don't want to break stuff. And I'm gonna go and dig race the C6. Hopefully everything goes smooth. I'm gonna try to race my buddy History. We should have a good time. Last run was really bad. I spun, did a good burnout, but then I spun really bad off the leave. Tried hitting second gear to see if it'll relieve it early and stay in it, but it spun. It was really kind of, it was like icy. It was like literally like throwing a piece of ice on a pan. It was sliding everywhere. We'll try to leave a little sooner. My buddy Hishi double staged on me, which he did on accident, but he double staged, so I didn't have time to kind of get it to the RPM I wanted to. I'll try to leave a little bit softer and see. But yeah, I don't want it to spin. That's obviously the whole point. right, next morning here, we're doing the roll racing. Got a bunch of cars racing here. CT Performance Gang. I'm racing this, my actually buddy on Facebook, he's got that sick 1700 wheel R8. Obviously it's not gonna be a race, we're disqualifying. He's gonna be in a way faster class, but that thing is beautiful. I got the car cleaned up this morning, took it through a touchless wash. Hey, History, what's your guess? Is it auto or manual? Cause GM's what? Hey, look at the side mirrors. Guys, we made it home safe. Had a really fun event with the C6. It performed amazing. Big shout out to CT Performance and Shane over there. They have my car dialed in. It's really good. It's really clean, and it's running great. So I'm super happy about that. Finally have the car back, and obviously you guys see my last video. You know, the stuff I went through to get the car back. So I'm super happy. I'm actually driving the C7 ZR1 right now. We're gonna end it off here, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like. Any questions or what you think about the build, comment down below. Besides that, guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.